Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to disconnect Discord from Whoop. So if you no longer want your Discord account linked to your Whoop account, you can disconnect it in just a few steps. So sign into your Whoop account, then click your profile in the top right corner. Once you're here, click this gear icon to go to your settings. Once you're on settings on the left menu, go to connected accounts. Once you're on connected accounts, scroll down and you should see your connected accounts in here. So find Discord in the list of connected accounts. Then on the right side, click this delete icon to unlink your Discord account. So confirm that you want to remove the connection by clicking unlink account. So as you can see, our Discord account is now disconnected or unlink. So if you don't see a disconnect option in Whoop, try signing out and back in, then check connected accounts again. If you're still having trouble unlinking Discord, you can contact Whoop support as account specific issues may require assistance. So again, just click your profile in the top right corner, then go to or click this gear icon to go to your settings. Once you're on settings on the left side, go to connected accounts, then just scroll down until you see connected accounts and just delete or click the delete icon beside it, then confirm it to unlink that account. And that's it. Thank you for watching.